We'll turn now to the situation at the southern border. Over the last month, illegal crossings have dropped significantly, though the number of migrants remains high. Our Gabe Gutierrez spoke to border officials.
None of the passengers on this plane want to be here. It's called ICE Air, and those on board are being deported.
Right now, more than 100 migrants are being loaded from these buses onto this plane. They're bound for Honduras.
Since mid-May, the Department of Homeland Security says it's repatriated 85,000 people. That's up 65% compared to the same period last year.
The department is sending a clear message about the consequences of coming in the United States seeking asylum improperly.
NBC News also getting rare access to this processing center in Hidalgo, Texas.
Thank you very much, Mr. Chairman.
But this week, Homeland Security Secretary Alejandro Mayorkas was grilled on Capitol Hill.
You're the most dishonest witness that has ever appeared before the Judiciary Committee.
You should be impeached.
The administration touting a 42% drop in illegal crossings since the pandemic border restriction known as Title 42 was lifted in May.
Our approach of expanding lawful pathways for people to reach the border and delivering consequences for those who arrive at our border irregularly is working.
Mayorkas says the process is more orderly, but the drop in illegal border crossings does not mean there's been a big decline in migrants coming into the U.S. Multiple law enforcement sources tell NBC News the numbers are still high, with Republicans now blasting the Biden administration for creating a new legal channel, releasing tens of thousands of migrants each month into the U.S. who use a new mobile app to schedule their screening appointments.
You've got the turnstile open, where so long as they've gone and downloaded this app, you just let them in.
In Matamoros, Mexico, we found a tent camp with more than 1,000 migrants, many telling us they're still waiting for months to make an appointment on the app, often getting error messages. This man from Venezuela, with severe pains in his leg, rushed to an ambulance after collapsing in the sweltering heat. Many women and children in this camp need help, he begged. This week, a federal judge blocked the Biden administration's new policy limiting who can apply for asylum. That could drastically change the immigration system again if the ruling goes into effect next month.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.